Easy and effective DIY solutions to eliminate kitchen grease buildup. What is kitchen grease and why should we care? Grease buildup in the kitchen can be a time-consuming and tedious task to tackle. It is often difficult to remove hardened grease from surfaces, especially on kitchen appliances like stoves and ovens. Fortunately, there are simple kitchen cleaning tips that can help you to tackle the problem of grease buildup quickly and effectively. With these tips, you can get rid of stubborn food grease and keep your kitchen looking clean and sparkling. How to easily prevent kitchen grease buildup. Cooking in the kitchen can lead to a buildup of grease and grime on surfaces, appliances, and cooking utensils. Fortunately, there are steps that can be taken to prevent this buildup from occurring in the first place. From using grease-repelling treatments to regularly cleaning with natural solutions, there are plenty of ways to keep your kitchen clean and free from greasy messes. It's always a good idea to give your kitchen appliances a quick wipe down and clean after every use. This will help to prevent the accumulation of grease and keep your space looking spotless. DIY solutions and home remedies to get rid of grease in the kitchen quickly. Grease and grime can be difficult to remove, but natural degreasers are a great solution. From homemade degreaser solutions to store-bought products, there are numerous options available for cleaning greasy surfaces. With natural ingredients such as baking soda, vinegar, and lemon juice, you can easily make your own degreaser that is both effective and inexpensive. Best store-bought cleaners and degreasers for a spotless kitchen. Keeping your kitchen clean and presentable is a challenge for any homeowner. But it doesn't have to be. With the right store-bought degreasers and cleaners, you can quickly and easily remove stubborn grease and grime from kitchen cabinets, countertops, appliances, and other surfaces. From citrus-based cleaners to heavy-duty solvents, here are the best store-bought degreasers and cleaners for greasy surfaces in your home. With these tips and regular maintenance, your kitchen will stay clean for years to come. US Janitorial, providing premier commercial cleaning services. Visit us at usjservices.com. Or give us a call at 1-800-210-6069 to learn more or to schedule an appointment. We will be more than happy to assist you.